in FICO Eataly World in Bologna. We've heard about this place since it opened a couple years ago. We're just now getting espresso. Other than that, we haven't had a chance to see anything. Everything in here is Italian from Italy. It goes on and on forever. I'm so delirious from traveling. We're at La Spiaggio Fontini Club. And there's this, like, we're in Eataly World, FICO. And there's a beach right in the middle of the mall. We're waiting for the pizza place to open. And we've been traveling. We just came from Poland. Oh my God. We're so exhausted, but they have the best gluten-free pizza like in Italy. So we're waiting till 7. And we're enjoying Prosecco. Cheers! Finally, we had to wait an hour and 15 minutes for our restaurant that had the gluten-free pizza. My hubby has his, which is not gluten-free.
Oh, yeah.
Ow, it's hot. Here's my gluten-free one. I already know it's going to be delicious, but I can't eat it yet. It's too hot. Wow. Really pretty in here. You have seating areas everywhere, tons of restaurants. Apparently you're supposed to take a couple days to get through the whole thing. So far it's humongous.
There we are at the gelato store.
The focacciaria. Oh my God, these places are unbelievable. Beautiful. There's a giant olive mill